Today I'm going to show you what fits in this Lidl bag. It's a 30-litre backpack and it's designed for hiking. It's got good padding and it's got a little whistle on there and all the essentials. So I'm going to something. Oh, this little grab there, the sunglasses as well. I didn't notice that, but put your sunglasses on there like that. So overall, I'll show you what this is like and what I fit in there as a small pack. I'll show you actually how well this performs. And I actually bought some shopping at Lidl and I saw the bag there as well, and I carried some shopping back in the actual bag, so it's actually quite comfortable walking back long distance. You'll see it's a hiking backpack. It's got inbuilt rain cover. There's actually a section for a drinking tube opening and adjustable chest straps. And I like it because you can actually put your GoPro as well, because it puts together. So you can see walking wise it's not too big. It's the ideal size realistically. I have had bigger bags on this and smaller bags, and I feel like 30 litres is the ideal amount if you're going to go hiking. And the good thing about this is just on the strap it's got a little mini bag, which is good for your essentials, because a lot of us like to record our journeys as we do it, even if it's like a little GoPro or something. Extra batteries, a memory card and your wallet if you need to buy anything fits nicely in this, and it's quite close to you, so easily accessible. And then you've got the little elasticated straps, so you can kind of get rid of the hanging straps. The padding around the main mount around your hips is actually quite good, so that works ideally. The bag here is not packed to the maximum capacity. There's still a bit of space there, and you'll see it's got the nice option there where you can actually get it closer to your back so it's not hanging away. So all the key features of more expensive bags is here. You'll notice I've got two hiking poles here, and there's another little pocket in the top as well for easy access for things like batteries and memory cards and camera stuff. I've got a little lantern here hanging off the back and two of these trekking poles. So with my setup, it depends how you work, but I like to do tent top setups, and these tend to work better with trekking poles, so it's a little bit more lightweight. If you're going for like a little bit of a journey and it starts drizzling, you can quickly whack up a little top with a couple of these just to get out of the rain. And overall the bag does come with a rain cover as well, so actually it's an inbuilt rain cover in the bottom which covers the entire bag, and it helps you just to stay out of the weather. And these external little tags and straps allow you to use the hiking poles on the back. So overall, the build quality of it, I might do another video after a while of using this for a bit, but I thought I'd do an initial impression. If you're thinking about buying it, is it any good? Should you pick it up? So overall, for the price, I think it's something like £12 realistically. That's not a lot of money. And it's actually made out of a lightweight material, so it'll be easy to carry around. It's not got its own weight. You'll get a quick sneak peek of how I like to pack this. So you'll see in the upper section there, the little information thing there, just to leave you like an idea of the sizing and the fitment. I like to pack my top on the top, because when I get to destination, that's the first thing I'm going to be setting up with the trekking poles. So I've got a shelter, a water bottle here, like a military style water bottle, and then like a little towel. I like to do a lot of rain camping, so a towel is essential, and then the kitchen kit, like the cooking set stuff in the bottom. So these are like the essential main stuff that I'll go to, and then I'll have a little mini tripod and like a camera held that in my hand. So all of this fits in there comfortably. There's still a bit of space, so I was a little bit more smart with this. I'm used to, how big is my other bag? My other bag is about 70 litres. So this is like 30 litres. I find the 70-litre bag is way too big, and you feel it when you're walking. The types of setups I do, I'm quite close to the car, so I don't have to do much walking, but I'm going to be going out more into like the Peak District and Lake District, so I wanted something a little bit more lightweight. I need to make my setup a little bit more easier to carry, so I want to not feel it, because obviously hiking a longer distance is going to take more time. In my kitchen bag I've got a little towel, a little cooking stove, gas, and then like a little cup, which is more than enough for like a warm tea or heating up some water for some noodles or some soup, and that is sufficient. Fits nicely in the bag with, as well as a lantern, and there's not a lot of weight. 30 litres I think is a comfortable amount. And then I've got an extra layer of waterproof like top coat that I can put in the bag as well, because the outside there's got 2 or 3 pockets, so you can fully fit it out, and you'll see the bag copes okay with it. What did I bring back from Lidl? I bought 2 2-litre large Coke bottles back, some ice creams, and it all fitted in the bag, and that was quite heavy. It's about 8 kilograms, 9 kilograms, and that was comfortable on my back. I didn't feel it walking like a mile. So overall, I'm going to do another video of this to give you a further idea, but so far I feel like it does quite look like a good option. I've seen other options from Decathlon and other ideas out there. It'll be the test of time. We'll see how well it performs, but you'll see the cook set goes into itself. I can put that back in the bottom. I tend to put the heavier items in the bottom and then the lighter items on top, also in the same order. When you get to your place, I'll take the trekking poles off the back, I'll take the top out, set those 2 up, I've got the lantern on the outside. If it's dark, I can turn the lantern on, gives me enough light to see what I'm doing, and then start bringing out the drink bottle to drink, and then the towel. If it's wet, I can dry off the camera and dry off any gear, and then get into the kitchen equipment. I normally have a little pad as well that I sit on, or I have two options, which are a camping chair and a camping table, which kind of fold out. So that's a separate setup. Depending on where I'm going, I'll pack different gear. I've got quite a lot of gear actually, but I like to put it there so that at least I'm packing for the right type of event that I'm going to. And if it's hiking, I'm probably going to end up sitting on like the grass, so there'll be nice areas to sit on. So you'll see, putting it all back, it's not like a tough squeeze. It's not squeezed to the maximum capacity. There's a lot more space there that I could fit extra stuff in. And if it's a bit more careful with the packing, I don't even think I can fit the gas canister inside the the pots and the pans, so I don't have to have a separate one. But normally I like to have a gas canister for cooking and heating up tea and actual meal kitchen bag. So then if I'm going to be planning to make a meal, I take the little net bag with the pot in. If I'm not, I just take the little green bag with all the cooking stuff in. Just about being smart and carrying what you need and not too many essentials. And you've got two outside pockets for water bottles as well, and I have those like plastic expandable water bottles that I put in each side. And then if you've got a wet jacket, and the back of it there's a little mesh outer pocket which you can hang the jacket off so it dries off. So you know what, I'm quite pleased with it. It feels nice, it's a comfortable option, it's the right kind of size, nothing too scary, and like a day pack type situation. If you have a little lightweight tent that can, I didn't put the trekking poles in properly here, you can see they're hanging out. But yeah, hopefully this gives you an idea if you're thinking about it, and I'll leave you a little card to some of my videos you can check out and see. Close up. I'll also leave a few photos that I took just so you can zoom in and see a little bit better quality, because the lighting wasn't excellent, so it's a bit dark seeing the bag, and because it's black and grey it can be harder to see. So hopefully you can zoom in on these photos and see if you approve of this and if it's good for your needs.